Hey teammates, today we are generating equivalent fractions, percents, and decimals. So number one says, how is 0.623 expressed as a percentage? Today I'm going to use one of my new pens in my favorite color, purple. So looking at my decimal, I've written my decimal 0.623. And I know that a percent is out of 100, and 100 has 2 zeros. It's also moving the decimal over to the hundredths place. So I'm moving my decimal over 1, 2. And then I just have to rewrite my percent as 62.3%. Go ahead and pause the video now and try number 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to show you the example for number 5. Go ahead and pause now. For number 5, it's asking us to go from a percent to a decimal. So the percent they gave us is 0.125%. So in order to go from a percent to a decimal, I need to move my decimal over again 2 times, right? Because a percent is out of 100. This time though, I need to move it to the left. So when we went from a decimal, we moved it to the right. Going from a percent to a decimal, we have to move it to the left 2 times. And then I have to fill in my 0. So my decimal is 0, and then the dot, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5. Go ahead and pause now, and I want you to do number 6, number 7, number 8, and then on the back, number 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? I'm going to show you an example for number 13 when you're ready. Go ahead and pause the video now. So for number 13, they're asking us to go from a fraction to a decimal. So my fraction here is 4 over 15. In order to get my decimal, I'm going to have to divide. So in this case, the top goes into the house. And I have 15. And I have to make sure that I dot it, so I know what my place value is. So 15 goes into 4 0 times. 15 goes into 40 2 times. Subtract, I get 10, bring down the 0. And then 15 goes into 100. Let me check that. Let's see if it goes in 6 times. Yeah, 6 times. Subtract, I get 10. Bring down the 0. Again, that's going to go in 6 times. Subtract, I get 10. So notice now, it just keeps repeating. So this is actually called a repeten. When this happens and there's a number that continues to repeat, we actually just can ignore that last number, and we would write this as 0.26, and then we put a line over the number that repeats. So I'm going to put a line over this 6. Go ahead now, try number 14, 15, and 16, number 17 and 18. So go ahead and pause the video now and try those examples.